Samsung, being one of the top camera hardware manufacturers, are on their way to do just that. Apart from the main 200-megapixel sensor, Samsung is bringing a most important upgrade to their zoom camera setups that can make a huge difference when it comes to handheld zoom photos and videos, especially at 10x, 30x, or even at 100x level, and improve the night mode performance. According to the Galaxy Club, Samsung could be working on a new censorship stabilization for their telephoto sensors. Of course, that being Samsung, or the display may look the same in terms of size and design, and it's going to be a much better display in terms of brightness and color accuracy. We've also get a plenty of other upgrades like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. With Samsung that do continue with their in-house flagship chipset, then some regions are going to get the Exynos 2300. Last year Samsung kept the base model design the same while updating the Ultra, and this year it seems to be doing the reverse, which heavily brings all three phones back in sync, and all leaks has shared renders of the S23 and S23 Plus. While most elements of the phones look about the same as before, the big changes to the camera model, now made up of 3 discrete circles with the flash alongside. If you're skeptical, you also have the first leaks of cases for the S23, which appear to confirm the design with separate camera cutouts. All leaks also shared renders of the S23 Ultra, and here the phone looks essentially identical to its predecessor. One Twitter tipster reports that Samsung may use Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max fingerprint sensor on the S23 Ultra. This scanner, already seen on the Vivo X80 Pro, is larger and faster than most rivals, making it easier to unlock a device. Ice Universe says Samsung is streaming down the chain and making it nearly symmetrical to side edges. We have a same boxy rectangular curved display with high refresh rate and high resolution panel, same S Pen support, and same SIM card tray, which is amazing. Ice Universe published the exact dimensions of the Galaxy S23 series. The new models grew by a fraction of a millimeter in height and weight, and that came from extra bezels. To be specific, 0.15 millimeter on all 4 sides around the display, and the display size, however, will remain the same, and I guess we'll see the same with the S23 Ultra as well. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.